This video will be covering the debugging algorithms portion of this assignment. Remember, debugging simply means finding errors in your algorithm or code and then correcting them. Errors are called bugs. So debugging means to remove those bugs and correct your algorithms. So just like our previous assignment, we're going to be using the same arrow symbols. So move right one, move left one, move up one, move down one, and then color in scribble. So let's take a look at our first pattern. We want to correct this. Here is the actual algorithm that's been written. Somewhere in this algorithm is a bug. So let's see if we can find it. First thing you want to do is go to the starting point and follow the algorithm that is already written. So color in, move over one to the right, move down, color in, move over one to the right, and then it says move down. So that is incorrect. So this part, this move down, is where we go wrong. We need to color in at that point. So I'm going to copy and paste and put my new symbol there. So now let's start over and follow and see if it works. Scribble in, move right, move down, scribble in, move right. So now I'm not going to follow the old code because I have new code. I'm going to scribble in, move over, move up, scribble in. So that one part was throwing the entire algorithm off. So that's been corrected. You're going to do the same for all of these algorithms. Find where it goes wrong and correct it. Now you might find some of these algorithms are too long. You might be able to correct the algorithm with shorter amounts of symbols, with fewer amounts of symbols. So if that happens, let's say you don't need, for instance, these last two symbols on slide 19. So if you're able to write an algorithm that is shorter than the original and you don't need these last two symbols, grab the shapes tool and simply cover them up and hide them. Because if you don't, the program is still going to read those symbols or those programs or those parts of your algorithm and try to complete the program. And we don't want that. So make sure if you don't need symbols at the end of your algorithm, make sure you cover them up with a shape. Once you're done correcting the graph paper patterns here, once you're done debugging those patterns, you're going to come to slide 21, which is a code.org activity. Make sure you click Scrat here. Click on that link, and it will bring you to debugging with Scrat. Again, make sure that you complete the entire activity. All these circles up here should be green. And when you have them all green, you are going to print screen and paste that on slide 22. Then, of course, we are going to follow up with a what did you learn? Make sure you're giving me at least 3 complete sentences, and then you are going to finish up with your Google form review. Once you've done the Google form review, you are done with this assignment.